I suffered from migraine for 10 years. In the beginning, the fits were every 1 or 2 months. Before my coming to the homeopathic center, they already happened twice a month, with a stronger intensity and a bigger duration. The fits lasted 2 days and nights. I had used different drugs against headache. In the beginning, they helped. But then the organism got used to them. I was convinced that I had to wait for this pain to pass off. Last years, the reception of coffee reduced the headache. The right half of the head ached, as well as the back of the neck. My vision worsened when the pain appeared. There was weak nausea, but the headache was strong. The light irritated me. The pain usually was on Saturday and Sunday. A month after the beginning of Mr. Gochev's treatment, the migraine fits ceased, and I feel very good.